And then pag sabi kong right, babasa niyo yung gift niyo sa right person. Tapos pag left naman, sa tao sa left. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Once upon a time, there was a lawyer named Bob Wright.
Right. Hold.
Okay. Yes, next. His son's name was Bill Wright.
Right.
And together, father and son started their own law firm named Wright and Associates.
Right.
And Associates.
And associate.
Okay po ba?
Ayos pa.
Ayos ba?
Dalawang right. Hindi, tama na. Nakadalawa na kami.
Dalawang right na sila eh.
Okay na. Nahulog yung ribbon.
Tama yan.
Kasama sa gift yun.
Ate, daw yun sa kabila.
Oo.
Or may laman daw yun. Ribbon.
Important. Okay na.
Golden stapler.
Right and Associate.
Right. And associate. Tapos,
Ayan. Was famous for lawsuits that left people penniless. They left the Easter Bunny penniless when they sued him for the rancid eggs he left.
Hoy, ano ba?
the right.
Pangalan mo lang.
Wala ka lang lang.
Wala ba?
Oh,
Paki-emphasize.
When sued him for the rancid eggs he left
left.
in a child's basket. They left
Wala ba yung rumble? Oh,
May rumble.
iba meron eh.
Wala akong nakikita rumble. Okay.
Bakit pag Christmas?
The tooth fairy penniless when they sued her for the insufficient compensation she left
Left.
under a child's pillow. But the biggest target of all was still left Santa Claus.
Bumalik na yung regalo ko.
Okay din.
He too would be left penniless if everything went right.
Right.
The father and son team found just the right client in an 8-year-old girl named Sue. Little Sue was upset that Santa had left coal in her stocking last Christmas. Right.
Yeah.
Wala ka rumble.
Wala tayong rumble.
Mayroon pa dyan, Rabo? Oo. Nasaan?
Pag sinabi yung Christmas, sa susunod.
Rumble daw yung Christmas. Bagong instruction. Rumble.
Gusto pumunta?
Uy, mag-iwalay naman kayo. Hindi sila nag-iwalay tatlo.
Oh, game. Mamu, ikaw.
Okay na?
Okay.
They presented lots of evidence that the girl did everything right
Right.
the previous year. The only thing left
Left.
Teka lang. Babalik din.
for Santa to testify. Jingling all the way, he marched
Right.
up to the witness stand, raised his
Right.
and swore to tell the truth.
Santa, atras ka para makita mo sila. Nay, usod ko doon para Yan, atras.
Ayos daw po, sir.
Yan.
Okay.
Santa said that while it might appear that little Sue had done everything right,
Right.
there was one thing that she did that left him no choice
Left.
but to put the girl in the naughty list. This can't be right.
Right.
Protested right.
Right.
We left
Left.
Stone unturned in our investigation, said Bill Wright.
Right.
All this courtroom drama left.
Left.
Sue
Left.
shaking with excitement. All right.
Right.
On Christmas,
Christmas! Christmas Jambol! Lipat pwesto. Grabe si Mengay. Ay, ayoko dyan. Git na ni Mamo. Grabe si Mengay.
I got up tonight and ate the cookies that were left
Left!
for Santa. I didn't think there was enough time left
Left!
to be put on the naughty list. Kamusta na?
Yay! Tada!